This video is going to talk about the basic idea of dispatching. So there's a couple of ideas that you need to really understand in order to be the most effective dispatcher. So the basic idea is that every order, as we've talked about in a previous video, it has at least one leg. And as we talked about in that recent video, the leg is what gets dispatched to a manifest. The manifest, in turn, is going to have the driver and the equipment assigned to it. So the manifest is important because it is what ties together the order and the equipment, and it allows you to keep track of the driver's progress. So this is a really simple order, and I'm just going to show you how to create and dispatch a manifest from this screen. There's a much more robust way of dispatching that you might use, but this is just to introduce you to the idea of legs, manifests, and assigning equipment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the Create New Manifest button. I'm going to choose Assign Driver, and let's assign this load to driver Jerry. So by taking these steps, I've taken the leg and I've assigned it to driver Jerry, and I've done that by creating this manifest M0008. So if you notice, this manifest is hyperlinked. So that means if I click on it, it's going to take me to what's called the manifest details page. So this looks kind of like the order details page, except it's focused on the details about the manifest. And as I mentioned earlier, the manifest is where you're going to define the driver and the equipment. So you saw me define the driver. We can see that here. Driver Jerry is assigned. You can see that there's a box here that says Add Equipment. So if I click Add Equipment, it's going to show me the equipment profiles that I have set up in my equipment module. You can use this field to search. So let's just say, I can see it here. It's a short list of equipment. But if I wanted to search for a unit, truck unit 123, I can type that in, click search, and now I'm going to click the plus sign. If I then search for a trailer number, R53 something or other, I get R53025, and I'm going to assign that to this manifest as well. So by taking these steps, I now have a manifest M0008. It's assigned to driver Jerry, and driver Jerry is driving vehicle 123 and trailer R53025. So just to recap, the manifest is what is going to tell you what driver and what equipment are moving the shipments that are assigned to the manifest. And remember, when you go into each order, so I'm clicking on the expand here, and I'm going to click on the order ID. From inside each order, you'll be able to see what manifest and what driver, if any, has been assigned to the legs of the shipment.